Good morning to everyone. Once again, welcome to Geography class. In this class, we are going to talk and discuss about the upcoming point of the chapter number 4. Today is 12th March 2021. So, in this revision series, we are going to talk and discuss about the chapter number 4. It's important question and answer. So, moving further, question and answer of the chapter number 4. On 12th March 2021, in this revision series, we are going to see the topic wise question as well as their answer. So I request you personally, you please go through all the question and all the answer. First, the introductory part of this chapter, let me explain to you. In this chapter, we are going to have the discussion on the terminology climate. What is climate? The type of India's climate. After that, from which word the monsoon word has been derived. After that, the mechanism of monsoon. Then the advanced monsoon, retreating monsoon. After that, we are going to have the question answers on the basic points of the chapter like hot weather season and cold weather season. After moving that, we are going to see about the why monsoon is called as a unifying bond, the last and very important point from this chapter. So as the chapter is going to appear on the slide, you have to read this chapter and you have to frame the answer in your mind. After that, I am going to show you the answer. After seeing that answer, you should be very prepared for the answer. If your answer is not matching to this answer, please see the correct answer, and after that, just do the revision of this one. Those who are important questions, please copy it down in your notebook and continue that also. Next, moving to see the question number 1. Sum total of weather condition and variation over a large area for a long period of time is referred to as. So dear cadets, just by reading this, you can easily understand that this question is asking about the definition of climate or a weather. So in your mind quickly it is going to be, it's a sum total of weather condition and variation over a large area for a long duration of the time is referred to climate. Okay, so what is climate? Climate is the sum total of the weather condition and the variation over a large area for a long period of time. Question number 2. The climate of India is described as. So in India, we are observing the climate of India as monsoon type. So India is having monsoon type climate. Question number 3. On a winter night, the temperature of Dras in Jammu and Kashmir may be as low as. So the answer is minus 45 degrees Celsius. Minus 45 degrees Celsius, remember that. Question number 4. What are thunderstorms called in West Bengal? These small questions are very important because in examination for 16 marks, you are going to have for the MCQs or the short question answers like that, and for the 16 marks, you are going to have the source based question answers. So thunderstorms are called Baisakhi in West Bengal. Next, moving to the question number 5. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the, okay, First, the question is the Tropic of Cancer passes through the. If we are going to read that particular point, we are going to see that this question is not asking the name of the states from where the Tropic of Cancer is passing. So, if it is going to be asked the Tropic of Cancer passes through the, then it's our country, so it's moving from middle of the country. Next question. Question number 6. The pressure and the wind system of any area depend on the dash. So let's check out the answer. So the pressure and the wind system of an area are dependent on the latitude and altitude of the place. So latitude and altitude is deciding the pressure and the wind system of any area. Next, question number 7. Name the 2 branches of monsoon. So, the 2 branches of monsoon are the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. Question number 8. The climate of India is strongly influenced by. It's going to be influenced by. I hope so. The answer is ready. Answer is monsoon wind. The climate of India is strongly influenced by monsoon wind. Question number 9. Where is equable type of climate is found? So here we are going to see about where is the equable type of climate is found. So the answer is, we are finding this type of climate close to the sea area. Question number 10. Monsoon is known for its uncertainties. Sometimes monsoon is coming earlier, sometimes monsoon is delaying. What do you mean by the mango shower? So, mango showers are the pre-monsoon shower that take place on the coast of Kerala and Karnataka. Since they help in the early ripening of mangoes, they are called as mango showers. I hope so the question and the answer is clear to you all. Next, move further. Question number 12. The state of normal rainfall increasing suddenly and continuing constantly for several days is known as burst. Next, moving toward question number 13. An apparent force caused by the Earth's rotation is called Coriolis force. Question number 14. Why do coastal area experience less contrast in the temperature condition? Due to the moderating effect of the sea. Question and answer, I hope so it is clear to you, all of you. Moving toward question number 15. Question number 15. Wind generally blow from the area of. Let's check out the answer. So the wind generally blows from the area of high pressure to low pressure. Moving toward question number 16. In which hill monsoon is located? So the answer is Khasi Hills. Question number 17 for you. What do you know about India's climate? India's climate is tropical as well as subtropical. Next. What is the full form of ITCZ? So the full form is represented by the slide. Please go through it. That's an intertropical convergence zone. Fast flowing and a narrow belt of high altitude winds are called as. When it is going to be called as high altitude, which wind are going to be there? Yes, you are correct. It may be jet stream only. Good. In which latitudes of tropical area is monsoon experienced? That's 20 degree north and 20 degrees south. A winter, the western cyclonic disturbance originated from which sea? So the correct answer for this question is the Mediterranean Sea. Moving further to see question number 22. I hope so you read the question. Which states experience low in summer? So here you are going to write the name of the states, mostly in the north part of the India. So that means the Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, and we can speak about the North Indian states, etc. That means more state will come. Question number 23. Why hills are cooler during summer season? Yes, the answer is here. It is because as one goes from the surface to the earth to higher altitude, the atmosphere becomes less denser and the temperature decrease. That is why the hills are cooler in summer. Next, moving to the question number 24. Why do winters in India experience dry season? Let's check out the answer. So answer is clear to you. So answer is, it is because during this season northeast trade winds prevail over the country. That is why the India experiences the dry season in winter. They blow from land to sea in most parts of the country. That's why winter in India experience the dry season. Moving toward the question number 25. What is a loo? So answer, a strong, gusty, hot, dry wind blowing during the day over the north and northwestern India, right? Which we were talking about. In which part of the India loo is blowing? Summers are known as loo. The loo is a striking features of the hot weather condition. That means the summer season from April to June. Loo usually occur during the afternoon, but sometimes it even continue until late in the evening. They are the very strong, gusty and hot and dry winds. Moving towards the question number 26. What does the word monsoon impulse from? Okay. Sorry, the last part is not for the answer. Only the question is that what does the monsoon word means to us? Please check out the answer quickly. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word monsoon. It means season. Hence the word monsoon impels a seasonal reversal in the wind direction during a year, in convey the rhythm of the season and changes direction of the wind, and in the distribution pattern of the rainfall and the temperature with the change of season. The monsoon wind move from 6 months from sea to land and another 6 months from land to sea. Question clear to you, and answer also? Moving toward the next question. What is October heat? So the heat which is occurring in the month of October, that is going to be called as October heat. But why and how? Let's check out. The explanation for this question is here. The month of October-November, from a period of transition from hot rainy season to dry winter condition, the retreat of the monsoon is marked by clear skies and the rise in temperature. While day temperature are higher and nights are cooler and pleasant, the land is still moist. Owing in the condition of the high temperature and humidity, the weather has become rather opposite during the day. This commonly known as October heat. So the answer for October heat is here. You can write in a simple sentences within the 2 or 3 one. For the explanation purpose, it is here. Lastly, as this question is I stated to you, lastly I want to tell to each and everyone only one thing. Please go through this all points. After moving, just like loo is important, like the meaning of the monsoon word is important, the definition of the weather and climate is important, the movement of the wind is important. Like that, all the following points, please go through it. Lastly, we have finished this particular part of revision. Next, this is the time where you are about to turn out to the school. Please bring your project work of disaster management. So many months ago only I placed the disaster management project. If still you are lacking behind to complete it, please bring the A4 size project paper and the important material to prepare the project. and you can complete the project work in the school also. Dear cadets, not to forget to bring your project work related to disaster management. Collect the photographs also from the newspaper to stick in that particular one. If you are still facing any doubt and difficulty, quickly WhatsApp me. So I am going to sort out your doubt and difficulty, how you can go ahead for the disaster management project work. Thanking to each and everyone for watching the video. Don't forget to bring your project work. Jai Hind to one and all.